don't miss this setup, guys. Don't miss this setup on Paynex 999. Okay, and of course, this is a kind of setup that you shouldn't miss. And I'm going to show you everything right here and how I'm able to come up with this setup and how you too can also benefit from this. And I will also drop more updates on it within the Telegram channel. So if you are not a member of the Telegram channel, kindly click on the link below right now. I mean, check the description box, check the pin down message. You're going to see the Telegram link there where you will be able to join the Telegram community and benefit from some of the free trading signals which I usually post right there. Okay, so guys, this particular asset is called Paynex 999, and of course, we're going to discuss on how you can benefit from this particular setup. Okay, so but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, this is the setup that we have been waiting for a while. This was an uptrend at the beginning, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there, switch into a downtrend, sold for a while. I remember we actually milked this particular asset, and of course, it went back up again. And I told you that if it's not able to, I mean, if it is not able to break out above the resistance zone, then it will give us another opportunity to sell again. And that opportunity have started. Okay, for those of you that are yet to do this setup, here it is again. This is our entry point, this is our stop loss. TP1 achieved and TP2 has just been achieved. Okay, so that's amazing. So right here is TP3 and TP4, so we still have a long way to go, and we still expect it to get to this particular level. Okay, so this is going to be our TP5, guys. So this is an opportunity for you to trade Paynex 999 for a very long time. So you guys can tap into it and milk this particular assets right away. Okay, so don't miss out on this. Now you might be wondering how I'm able to come up with this setup. Okay, so I've been using a strategy called trend trading strategy. What it means is that you will go for, I mean, you will trade a particular direction on the assets you want to trade. Okay, so which means there is a particular direction an asset, or every asset we always focus on each time the market is going on. Okay, so and this direction is called trend. It can be on uptrend and it can be on downtrend. So I usually do this on 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, and of course H1. Sometimes I go as far as going to H4, but in most cases I go in between 15 and H1. Okay, because it gives me an opportunity to trade for a very long time. So what you just need to do is to understand or to know how to identify the current trend of the market, to know when it is switching from one trend to another, and of course to know your entry point, and finally to know how to set up your order in a right way with your stop loss in good position. Okay, so all these things are very important. If you don't know how to do all these, then you are, I mean, you are most likely to get it wrong. Okay, so this is what happened around here. This actually got to the resistance, so it was an uptrend, but when it got to the resistance zone, we had to wait to see if it's going to break out above it or switch the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. And you can see it switch it into a downtrend. And of course, you can see my indicator, my custom made indicator, changing from yellow zone into a red zone. And right from there, it also gave us an entry point, which is this red arrow, I mean, which is this red arrow. Okay, the red arrow signifies a sell signal, so this gives us an entry point which goes along with the trend. Okay, and that is why we are able to place our order at this point and put our stop loss somewhere here. And of course, we set up some TPs for ourselves which have just been activated, and of course we are now in big profit as we speak. Okay, so for those of you who are yet to tap into this, you can still jump into this trade at a good entry position, probably somewhere here. somewhere here. Okay, you can still come in somewhere here and try to activate your order and try to achieve the rest of the TPs, because we still have about three TPs to which we can achieve: TP1, TP2, TP3, and of course TP4. Okay, we still have about four TPs which you can still achieve. Okay, but for those of us who are already in the trade, we have achieved TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Okay, so that is so. I mean, we have achieved. Sorry, we have achieved TP 1, 2, TP 1 and 2 already. So we are actually waiting for TP 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so these are some of the things that you guys can also do right away. Okay, so let me quickly give you a quick recap of what we have done today. Okay, we have tried to see how we can use this strategy to milk this assets, Paynex 999, and also to make it to milk other assets. Okay, and the strategy is called trend trading strategy, and all you need to do is just to trade alongside with the trend. Okay, that is it. So we are on 15-minute time frame. So like I said, you need to be able to identify the current trend of the assets. Then you need to be able to identify when I mean the trend is going to switch from from the current trend into a new trend. Okay, then you need to be able to identify your entry points. Okay, where you can go into the market. Then after that, the fourth thing which you should be able to do, you need to be able to set your order up in the right way, which must include a good stop loss. Okay, so that is it. So which means for each of the order you are creating, you must be able to set up a stop loss for each of them. So this is very, very important, and this is these are some of the things you should learn in order for you to get the best out of the trading platform. Okay, so and of course, guys, it is applicable to every asset, every other asset. That's what we use to actually milk this particular asset also right from this resistance zone. Okay, this is Paynex 1200. It's been on downtrend for over a week, and of course we actually milk this particular asset for a very long time. This is where our TP stopped, because right here is a support zone. And of course later on I told us that if it breaks out from here, because of the way it was laying around here, and you can see it broke out yesterday and gave us more selling opportunity. Okay, although the signal which we dropped actually stopped here. So, and of course, that gave us TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, and TP6. Okay, so you can see how beautiful that is. The same thing is applicable to these and these also. So that is how we can use this strategy to milk the market for ourselves for a very long time. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.